video dash cam on my Tundra here, and so I didn't know that this actually rotates, so I was kind of sticking it up there, and I was like, wait, it's just showing my dash there, but this rotates. Another cool thing is that the the cigarette lighter has a USB cord in there too, so I can run my phone charger up there as well, so that's kind of cool. Anyways, so I'm going to try to put this up somewhere where it's kind of out of the way, maybe like behind a mirror right there. Might actually just do it right up here, you know, or maybe even up here, and that way I can see the video a little bit, and while it still shows that. So I'll probably be placing it right up there, and I'm going to just peel off. So it's got some 3M tape here. Just peel that off and place it, and it's got the dots on the windshield there, so I'm probably going to use that as guidelines for putting it up there. Alright, Fred, so installing this wire, we'll just kind of run it underneath here and down through here, kind of up underneath around to here, sorry about that, on the side right here, and then up underneath this part, the weather stripping or whatever. This actually folds out. You just pull it out. So it's got this little tool here. You can just get under there. As you can see, it has a nice little gap under there, and you put it up under there. And so I did that all the way up to the top. Got this airbag part right here. Just use this tool, tuck it up under there, just like that. Simple. And then we're going to go up around the top here and access up here and get that out so the cord comes out up top, so it's nice and hidden there. So just showing that, and let's keep rolling here. Alright guys, so up under here is pretty easy. See, the cord's all hidden. It comes out right up at the top here. Super easy to put it under there. I pretty much use my hand to just kind of tuck it under there. Had a better feel for it. So that's that. It has a little space where the wire can come out here. Just make sure you got enough wire to where you want to go. Okay, now I'm not sure if I want it situated so I could see the actual picture when I'm driving or not. So it's kind of just your preference where you want it, and I'll probably just put it right up here next to the rear view there. So like I said, it's a small camera, so maybe just kind of tuck it up behind there, and we'll call that good. So let's get that installed, shall we? Alright, so peel the tape off, and I've kind of opted to go up behind the mirror. I'm going to use these dots kind of as a guideline so I can get it nice and straight, and I'll just stick it up there. Okay, so here we have it, just mounted right up on there. I'm going to take off this little camera cover, and then you can adjust your lens to where you want it. So I'm going to clean the windshield a little bit in front of there. All that. So that's it right there. It's pretty small. I mean, you're not even going to notice it really. It's pretty cool. I'm going to plug it in and see if I can't tuck the excess wires up in the top there. So let's do that real quick. Alright, just as I had hoped, the excess wire had about 3 inches just tucked up in there. Super easy. This is on a 2016 Tundra. So there it is. You can't even really tell. So pretty excited to it's supposed to come on when you fire up the truck. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to start it up here. There we go. So it comes on, and then it's already recording right there. So ready to go. Now it's on some of the dash there or whatever. So if I want to just get off the hood of the truck, boom, right there, just got the hood there and most of that. So I can go down or up a little bit, and it's pretty sweet right there. So I have the SD card on the other side, so that's easy to pull out if I need it to upload videos or whatever. So pretty stoked about this. I'll be throwing some video up here shortly, so that's kind of the install, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. I will be doing some video footage from here as well. Let's shut off the motor. So just an FYI too, I have it plugged into the USB on here as well, so my phone charger is working as well. It's got the RGB lights going, so that works good too. So pretty stoked about this. This would be a 1080p. The camera is still recording, but the screen turns off after a minute or whatever. So here we go, we can turn it off. And it's still recording. It says low battery. And it shuts off because the battery's dead. But I think it automatically will stop recording there too when I pull the after a few minutes there. But it should be charged fully after I drive around and stuff like that. So I'll be uploading the videos from that, so you can check out the footage anyways. And thanks for watching, my friends.